Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'm educating the public on how to link PayPal and Payoneer. Ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. I'll take you one-on-one. This is my PayPal account, you can see, and Payoneer. This is the Payoneer account. So when we are linking both, ensure that your PayPal has a balance. What we will be doing, we want to link to provide PayPal with a bank. We want to link it with a bank, and the bank that we are going to link with it is from Payoneer. When we come to Payoneer, ensure your Payoneer is verified. Also ensure that your Payoneer Global Payment Service has been enabled. Then secondly, you will come here to USD account. Once you come to your USD's account, you will be able to view details. You will be able to use Community Federal Saving Bank. You can see it's a bank. So this bank, the Payoneer's bank, which is Community Federal Saving Bank, is the one that you are coming to attach to link new PayPal bank. So ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. In the description link, you will find my affiliate link where once you use that affiliate link and register a Payoneer account, when you register a Payoneer account, you will be able to get $25 for free. Ensure you use that affiliate link. We can see here Payoneer is saying it gave me a reward of 21 euros or $25. Ensure you use in the description link. I have a link. Once you successfully register with a Payoneer account using my affiliate link, you will earn yourself 25 euros. So let us continue with the tutorial. We want to ensure that we link a new bank to Payoneer. So we'll come here. We said ensure that your Payoneer is verified. Then Global Payment Service is also verified. Then we will be using an USD account. USD account we are using Community Federal Saving Bank. We'll come here and say link bank. Link the bank. Once we link the bank, we'll come here to check in root number and accounting number. So we will pick a routing number from here. Then we'll come and stick it over here. We will be able to paste it there. Then again, we will come to account number. From where the account number, we will copy paste the account number over here. The account number, we'll copy paste it. Then we'll say the account name is a personal. It tells us by continuing, you agree to let PayPal send two small deposit less than one USD. So by linking Payoneer's Community Federal Saving Bank as a bank in PayPal, PayPal will charge some few dollars, which upon charging those dollars from the Payoneer account, we will be able to use that transaction will be having 4-digit codes. That 4-digit code has the secret code that you will be able to provide to PayPal to tell them that is the verification to tell them that your PayPal Payoneer connection has worked. We'll agree to link. Once we agree to link, it will tell us we agree to link. It tells us, sorry, you are unable to link because the bank is enabled. Please try another bank. So that was the tutorial of how to link PayPal with Payoneer. If in case Payoneer account had US dollars, the transaction would be successful. So today's tutorial was about linking PayPal and Payoneer. It was very clear. At least that is a clear demonstration. If you need any assistance, ensure you come live. In the description link, you will find my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to call me and I'll be able to assist you, or via my official Gmail account, njogukarungu@gmail.com. Or in case you need to make any donations, in the description link you have my PayPal and my Payoneer account where we'll be able to communicate. those who want to use affiliate link, if you want to register a Payoneer account, use my affiliate link. And on registering, on successfully registering using my Payoneer account, you will get a reward. You can see here Payoneer reward. This is a reward I got upon somebody used my link, and once they successfully registered, they earned themselves $25, and myself I earned $25. Thank you for sticking with me. In case you need assistance, try connect with me, and I'll be able to assist you at a small charge. Thank you.